I'm in Fort Hunt Park, which is a park that is home to 2 deactivated batteries. And this is one of them. This is Battery Sater, which was named after First Lieutenant William A. Sater, who was killed. They named it after him. And this battery was deactivated in 1920, and pretty much here it sits crumbling away. So let's go take a look at this beautiful dilapidated structure. If you hear a lot of noise, there is a free concert that's going on in this park, which is over there. So you might hear music and people screaming and all that kind of nonsense. But yeah, let's get walking. This is nice. Look at that. Ooh, look at these doors. It's actually, I mean, you know, the fact that it is crumbling and everything, it is actually still in decent shape. I think so. I mean, other people might think different, but it's still standing for a battery that's been deactivated since 1920. It's still here. And not heavily vandalized, you know. You do have a little graffiti artwork over there. But of course, you know, that comes with the territory of anything abandoned, you know. Paint happy people, you know, they want to tag whatever, but it is what it is, you know. This thing's massive. Just gotta watch my step, because I do see a lot of lizards running around in here, so I don't want to step on the little dudes, you know. Hard to see in here. Get the padlock, so no one can go in there, you know. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Yeah. So nice up here. It's just peaceful, just chilling up here. I don't know how peaceful it was when it was actually in use. You know? I'm gonna go take a look at this sign over here. Wait, I think I already looked at it. Never mind. Let's go over here. A lot of bugs. That poop looks like poop. It's over here. Ooh. cobwebs. Yeah. Not too much to this battery. Still really cool looking. Let me go down here. Look at this. Cool looking sign. Cool.